Sometimes you want to screenshot a long document or web page like this, and most people end up going with the Frankenstein approach and snapping a bunch of screenshots that more or less capture the whole page. But because you are better than that, you're here learning how to do a rolling screenshot and avoid that mess. First, we'll just snap a regular screenshot on my phone that is done by pressing the lock button and volume down button simultaneously. Once I take the screenshot, we're going to keep an eye out for a button that appears on the bottom of my screen. After the screen flash, the screenshot controls appear, and bottom left there's this button that kind of looks like an arrow pointing down. Tap that and your phone will extend the screenshot downwards. Tap again and it'll continue extending it. If your document is long, you can tap and hold and it'll keep adding to the screenshot for as long as the document scrolls down. And on the left, you'll see your screenshot growing longer and longer the more we add to it. Once you're done, you can use the share button on the bottom right to share this screenshot. Or if you don't do anything, those screenshot controls go automatically away after a few seconds. The screenshot gets saved to my photo gallery so I can hop into the gallery app anytime and find the screenshot from there. Here it is with everything we captured, and I can zoom in and view the long page all combined in one long screenshot. No more dealing with 7 different screenshots for just one page. Click that like button if this helped, and share this video with a friend who needs to learn this.